Hello, Stevie here at Scraps Glued Over Paper with Ashley. Oh, I gotta get the light. Make it brighter. There's Ashley. Okay, so last couple days I have worked on my room. I took the sewing machine out and made this a work area of putting packets together for listing in my Etsy shop. Links in the description. And I got the floor cleaned up and tables cleared off, and this area here has walkways. I can open the door. There's my backyard, and there's the tree that fell on my house right here to the left. And so it's feeling good, but got it working again to where I want to be up here. Now, I did this area here. I put the rolly carts so that I can move them out of the way. Put them in front of the door. And I can get two things over here in the corner. I got my drying rack is cleaned off, and I redid the wires here so it's set up, because I noticed everything fell off of it when the tree hit the house. So, but then this area here, I took those rolly carts out of the way and I redid this whole area here, which I know it still looks very piled, but this is my priority pile here to work on and make packets. And I put this rack here, and it's got all my papers that I can use, the more plain stuff. And here's some stickers too. I think I have a whole drawer of stickers somewhere. Let's see if I can find them. Yeah, I think this, yep, it even says stickers on it. But I gotta use some stickers up or put them in packets. But so feeling pretty good about it. I definitely want to be upstairs in my craft room with my Ashley girl, looking out my window and getting lots done, and 4 scraps glued over paper. Thank you for watching. I hope you like, subscribe, hit the bell button so when I get things uploaded, you can find it or be notified. And don't forget to share, comment. It all helps me, and I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Bye.